loves us. He loves kids. He loves playing with people. He is a wildcat. We bought him at Palmer next to Martin's, and he loves playing with shoes. He never really runs away a lot, but one time he went outside. He's afraid of outside. One time he went there. He really loves kids. He loves to play with people. He's a really good cat. And he's from the wild. And he does not like taking baths. Of course, my mom's taking baths. And don't, but watch. And he is a very healthy boy. He does not like eating ham, macaroni cheese, and stuff with salt. But he loves eating cat food. He loves eating fish, and he loves eating cat food really much.